All right, everybody, in this lesson, we're going to be learning how to play the song Can You Feel the Love Tonight by Elton John. This song was recommended to me by subscriber Dope NTN. Dope Nuttin. If you'd like to leave a song suggestion for a song you would like me to cover, just put it in the comment section down below. Now be sure that you are subscribed to my channel. That way you can be notified when I come out with new tutorials. All right, now let's go ahead and get started.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling world can't be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if they'll only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors. When the heart of this star-crossed voyager beats in time with yours. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. Can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here and that'll take you on over to the website where you can download the chord chart for this song and many others as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Take care.